Walla Walla is home to some of the best wine in the country. Spend a weekend enjoying the vineyards and the many local wineries. I found there's a bit of something for everyone, whether you're looking for an entire weekend of wine tasting or if you're looking to enjoy some spectacular food and outdoor fun. I've only shown you a small sample of what makes Walla Walla a great short weekend vacation, or stay a little longer and enjoy a bit of everything. That's all for this trip, but there are plenty of more stops along the way. Weekend Getaways will take you with us as we explore the best places to pack in some fun in just a few days, showing you great ideas of where to stay, what to do, and where to eat. We'll see you next time on Weekend Getaways.
Okay.
One line down. Thank you.
That's what you're doing. Is that gonna go?
I bloodied my knuckles in kickboxing the other day. He's like, "You can't show your hands on camera now. What did you do?" I was like, "I didn't mean to."
How do you
Sorry.
Is that your Lola bean? Yeah.
Yeah. So Sharon, tell me a little bit about a wine tour and what all that entails.
A wine tour is
Click on the link at weekendgetawayshow.com. We'll be right back on Weekend Getaways. I forgot I was supposed to take a bite.
One more.